PH. Adoma chedi bia menya. Say yo. Eye papo. Eto nyame anoni. Adoma chedi bia menya. Say yo. Eye papo. Eto nyame anoni. Owo de na dwenam. Bamo wo de na dwenam odofo. Owo yi. Yemfane yonko. Missy owo de na dwenam. Bamo wo de na dwenam odofo. Owo yi. Yemfane yonko. Lori owo de adwuma no odofo.
Aish, chiliwa. Ababa. See what I tell you. If not the way you dey tell your body like this, if you not say na poverty they keep for Ghana here, you are very sweet too. See, me, I go take you go to Nigeria.
You go take me to Nigeria?
I go take you go to Nigeria now. To go and see stars. Now people, now money. Don't worry about yourself. Me, I take for Ghana here. What is exactly I do? I promise my family people in Nigeria that if I come to Ghana here, I go surprise them with some beautiful mango. See, you know something? The way you tell your body like this, Ghana people have some music. I will make a mama, ask them in the Wagaka. I will make a I think I'm in a denti. I got a me pattern. I'm a money. After me come at some baby. What be your go? After we did do like this, you dey follow me now. See, now love, they love you. You see, in life, you have to love somebody. You have to be with somebody. It's very good. This your husband, you did there say your husband. He's type of husband me, I don't know.
Don't go there. He's my husband indeed. He's my husband for Christ's sake. Please.
Hey!
Don't go there.
Hey!
Deal with me directly.
Hey!
Not my husband.
What type of husband, man, I tell you? This thing is animals.
It's not a thing.
You call this my husband? See, me, Wuchi. I there for you now, I there for now your back now 24/7. I go take you don't want to go to Nigeria? Okay, if you don't want to. I say I could take you go to Nigeria.
But my husband.
See, Nigeria, you go see Suta Nyemme. Chinedu Ngenze. Yeah, Rita Dominic.
Sikana me need binti.
I'm a wasem.
How me brony?
Meto baby.
Chimifo pa. Awu chimifo. My one yendama. Na me first can chance in free ho. My one yendama na first can free ho. From me for Nigeria. Nana ni ko bobra. Nsele kasa no o ka cho de wa. Awu. Besia wal. Ejina ko mabenyim. Ekansem guasoma. Awo. Yanko.
Why? Don't go and kill her.
I lucky. That to mammy. I didn't mean pepper for yesterday. I didn't do yesterday. I saw a big chicken in Nigeria. I can want some. Me call them a tardy, Milliban Nigeria, Nini, only Jim Como. Benini saw didn't back on Nigeria. Huh? About the perfume. About the Julia Sabe. It's from a young now, so. Aso, mafuna. Mintu nini ntina bio maso. Mintu nini ntina. Daba be pay do. Aba be humosi. Me pocha so. Men to me interview. I want to work. Make him think to so. Me pocha for what to go.
Hey!
You son cow. Let's them. Me to show them to turn them.
Mommy, uncle.
Hey, young Quay,
from
young Quay before Quay, and I'm the we better know what I say. And then they will jail in an animal. You just have to cook Nigeria food. I be eating Nigeria food there, food no day for Nigeria. Those people they feel hungry. You go follow that mind, go Nigeria. What you go do for Nigeria? Nigeria don't spoil kwata. You go Nigeria, eh? Who bed in a check on Nigeria? A horse say crache. Kromu dwane babak.
Also better me Chine doing Genze.
Chine ho doing Genze. Obet so yi.
Hey chupa.
Aso kwanu to.
E won wo TV do.
Fino.
Chine do Genze won the TV.
What's me who feeling?
Shimi fo.
Aso mesro ho akoma.
Messi aso fa ne kompajo aso fa ne ko.
Ma me dey young Quay.
Me no Quay. Me half room na me say me fa nko. Wotia wale ase. Wotia wo mo.
Omo mu me.
Say nim na nkwanwa. Na rodem ha make you chop papa.
Mama say. Obo so okume. Obo so okume.
Tawaya ase.
Yo, why ya ye ba ko be say ya ye mienu.
Aso me sra ko akoma to ye moy.
Aso na wonya makono, no wonya makono tumale kare jaika. Na for what ko.
Mo so wonya makono.
Hey, kwanu tum.
Wonya makono.
Mo wonya makono.
Wonya makono.
Mo wonya makono.
Mo
tum.
Wasen.
Mo so red face.
Aso be ma de wanu nya ya. Aso me sra. E ne de
Mo sa makro.
Menim de ye kokko.
Aso dia wase
Menim de ye kokko. Me be hwede ehwo kwa etum.
Ebe tum.
Why they go my way and then you stop me? What is wrong
Why
with
no
you?
go stop you? The two they do it say good.
Wait
Why my pikin with your husband? Your husband can't catch you for another place. What do they do for my pikin? You get husband. What do they do for my?
And then what is wrong with that?
Wo me o for hala o. Ọlọ́run tó bá for hala Ọlọ́run ma look pa me ojú so.
What be no matter kobo obo?
Shame me.
Talk to your your daughter because they love me now.
You not love you now, you don't love him.
Me?
Make you no do so. The thing they do, I no like it.
My love will die though.
I go call Olokpa. Olokpa, I go catch you. If
Me?
you talk to my pikin, I go kill Olokpa, I go catch you. You hear me?
A woman, I don't know, sometimes this now community where we are living, I don't know the way sometimes people they talk. Woman, are you talking to me as a small pikin or what?
You know, so the thing they do is bad.
What is exactly I have cost? And then you are talking to me like this.
I fear you. Me, I no fear you. Only God, me, I fear. What you go?
Okay, you know the fear me.
You not go feed me anything. I know the fear you.
See, ma, I tell you, this thing will be done now.
Irony, man, so bad.
What be no matter kobo boy?
Kulom bear now. Kulom bear.
Look at this woman.
No, krekama, you no get money every day. They waka kakre. Go slow and be.
Why? This your face. You they take work for ground or you they take work for something?
Shame me.
Nah.
Irony, God forbid.
Nah. Because the way you they talk, if you like say na poverty killing for Ghana here, me I they talk or me I they say something. Because poverty they kill you. If you poverty no they kill you cannot talk like this now rubbish way they talk. This your pikin or yellow papa way they there. In color fade, if you like say now you used to have some paper killing for na boss. Ma I tell you, me.
If
no love me, I they love them, and they love me. If I they come my name. After where you call that your house, where you say na incredible that house where you dey. If you go, I tell her say Uche. After you they love Uche or me, I they love him. Me your dash your lady or that your pikin. I they tell her go nothing. No, me I they tell you. If they love me, if I they come,
no, you they love my pikin. You tell my pikin say go clearly I'm going Nigeria. Nigeria, what you there for Nigeria?
The Ghana here, what you there for Ghana here too? Nothing where you there for Ghana here.
Ghana good past Nigeria now.
Why you go to Nigeria? Man, I tell you, we have how many states where Nigeria people have? Ghana people have some. Ghana people, what you have? What you have in Ghana here? Adrama? Oh, people.
Hey, Chineke.
No. Ghana people, what you have? Nothing where you have. We have a lot of people. Hey, if you go and see no Sutan Yeme, day. Chinedun gets a day, Rita Dominic, Ranzunoa, you go and see now Patata, a lot of na stars with the come, they see say now. Ghana people, which star where you get?
If you see star, go get money.
When you see this thing, how you name, everywhere you be pump pump, that's your star where you get. After where they come, they come, you be like this. You they ask me say who, you know it. Obi e do ma sokobo oloshi.
Mi oloshi, iwon ko oloshi. Mama ye. Oni kule, oni wamo, oni shoe.
Only wamo, only shoe. Turn the fire down your mouth.
Iwon ko okonila.
This woman is say I go beat you.
Oko sisi se oko tiku.
You no go stop me, I go beat.
I say oko tiku. Or you beat me now. You go see Pepe. Me go show you Pepe.
Me, I know say your life to be too much in danger. If I beat you now, you go fall down now.
I will call Olokwa, I will catch you now. Olokwa will catch you now. Chiwa, ma, me two four two chiwa won sachira. Won sachira di ojina na wujina. E de benti na wo fa sa baba wonu a, wonu wa tum se bidie no. Wo bo wan son e ma be hwo ha. Afi na obeya amala. Fa me da amala lefu ana amala dudu. You dey sabi do Nigeria food.
Amala lefu an.
Ya wo ko fa Nigeria ni be ma me na be hwo ha. Ase ni sai. Eni mkwe sebe na pese ogumi.
Ma.
Me disana tete wo. Ha? So ye na be ma so na wonya na hwene nim pedwa. Be mo so ntmagu so du achi no kofia. Ohun se be mani. No ko fa be me bia na suntem ayi ko hwe me ma ya suntem a cha bibie. No obrofo oba so wo wanya hwe. Wo na wo de usuba adi. Ama be ma no so kokko. Apia wo so ye de so.
Ama oni minya asmati asma o ka kire me. Nyina busuafo no do mbe wale mi. Nya busuafo kwa hye kwa afom no fom fomu yense dias no do mu bae.
Se dias kro wanya yo ho ade. E kwa emmelem so ayo ho ade. Afedi ebiem. Hwe me mete sengere wumo. Me dan kro nu sengere half room na me chemu. Enti se wo ye be men keke na wale ni gusekim. E ma me ho. E ma me ho. So ati de me ka kire ono.
Ma me nyim go frɛ madam fun me tell no no abaye o. Me nyashi.
Adamfo bo wa wo nya be man tina ene ya to be bo wan so ma be man ne wagya na afo no mbienu ko out na mokoba up and down do be wie do be nyu na do be wale watena wono ene ya sab do be wale watena wie de abu ye kura mere wa kura nya biwe famu de
onya bi
wo nya ka sa
na to de katara ni ma de wanyina du
me ne se be feelings ya wu ana wo ka sa me wo ma me feelings ya wu woni ba bi am so me nya feelings
na say for na 73 for na bi no
so hwan 25 ade
on fa den kata wani ma sana no wada
wanya wo fo no sa bibie timi de me ka kiro yen fa gronto nche be ma no be so no ma so mu yi na krokro no ne kumpa ho na wate me srew
ma me meja yo ho susu nim wa ne ho se o se me no bia na ma na wo bodede nipa bi mo sam ne na mu bia mu obodidi anim guase na no odin
fa yonko papa ayonko sole amo wafa babro na mo konya me fie e na ya adamfo na nya adamfo bebo wanson so bepe be ma mo
ada me fa bible wodam wo be hedo na me ntokwa ANITA me kan bible be kwa na ho aba
so usuba ne bible ni nse nto obekasa na ye de so ye so penso fama no ma wo birim sei wo de we bo be metem wo de wo peso we be man dey won fa kwa abonten
nto asase
o kwa abonten amani bi ye dwale be ma wo pan mu wo ti kroma wo nim ne yakọ ye dwale me ma wo pan mu
de wanyina dumi ko dwale no
ma bi so no mu a wo benya no no wa bele wo besua no ma no te wo yere kwa ba be ma no nya ne biem wo be bi so no mu twetwe no wa ni sipa akase no mu pa fo pan ko to bi dwale no mu
na wo etwo bi
wo etwo bi amani bi pe be ma so ne se won kora na de so no mu ye enso no mu ye be ma no so no mu ye wate me ntufu bi emo me ntufu and no first and last I no go talk to you again you hear me
I hear you
na me adu much na kuja this is one ko ye adware na amane a me ti me hwe wo musu se ma mo obi ankwan ko boa me omonya adwuma no esa na esa de me de mani hwe to amienu no wo ye adware na wo se hwe wo musu
oni so ntimi no aduane aka akofo so me adwuma
oh
me chido bi abeton aduane
nya me yonko no so to da na wo kire wo dodo aduane keke na akwa wo akwa ya ma me na mayo musu
obetu ase ese me nya ade nche obetu ase
yesu me maska obi a me pe be me ni me nya afode ama wawale
Wo pepe men munya be man me de na to nyen munya fo.
Ukuri we ya wacho. Abe.
Empre dodo ahin na maka cho de. Anyine osiwe mema ni brafi abi. Enti chede book na mama ka cho na bete na aye e aye dwuma wo.
Abe. Enye de wo dwini, wo simi nkoja na afum na menu adwan ma ne china.
Mele ba na mete yo. Na menim de nyansafo abi na woto nka be je ejane to fom no. Ko adwen be ba wo dumpom de maaba. Enti nsem a loka no ko ntwa do. Oso le pebenyina amo. Ntem bo mi nsem de ma wo no.
Abe hwe na me ka cho.
Okay ne ko de ke peja mu na ka shol e ku radem na hu do ejejefo. Woni pebenya na mde jimi abata wo hunti.
What is how woman here? Wo! Ma wa de be go agina wo so. Ah!
Wa gumpo awie o. I want. Welcome. JJ.
Some uncle make a fortune.
Obaka fortune me kuru awu. Wo me kuru awu. Philip no wan turu awu. Wo ni we no kuru awu.
My wonim.
Abebe, ma make some tro. Me seke me ja ntokwa no. Am yatsena afebo, yatsena ku. When nsem hunu na me.
Mesa
Abe kwa bo me.
O ke chodo de benyile me.
Abe kwa bo me. Some bo me.
Mon frère. Abe kwa bo me. Me fa kwa che pa ye. Ye, sama fa wo nu a. Me fa che. Ye. Abe pa unu da wo nu. Me be wo nu.
Abe.
Na Nigeria ni na wonyi fi de enya no. Nu be fa do akọ.
Eno be dako.
My friend, me blue, me green, my friend, ami, my friend, my brown, my friend. Abasa, I no see that. I no see that. I will. Could I find you me for the man?
Whoa! Minister, no good. I will
put you bear or be when you could be by the catcher or dead. Or do my benefit. And catching also. I'm an opportunity. Mali bia koduna ye. Mali bia kona ye. No solution. Miss Edebia.
No was from Sampu.
Mama so. Mekasema so.
Na wanti wanu so.
Edebia be famachi bia me so.
We are bun sampa papa.
Edebia be famachi. And be nyini fufu be da. Miss Obelo.
Obede.
Obelo.
Ono me nko be bia nhanna.
Eye de na.
Meje de bia meje se ya meje.
Instead of my day, and my day, I get bien beautiful for that. Oh, bello.
Oh, boy, myself from the top.
I don't know, I thought that one. Oh, Uncle, I'm great to know.
Majodo.
How are you?
Me who you?
Please, can I sit?
You go home. You bet my cool.
Okay, you mean associate?
Mr. Cool.
Oh, okay. It's very unfortunate. So sometimes in life, you are doing something and you have to shine your eye well. After you are making this thing. Do you understand me? Don't worry about it. In life, you have to go forward. Don't go back. Do you understand me?
And say nama coach ekoni. Anambwa.
Ada coach ekoni.
And nama coach ekoni.
And coach ekoni. I don't understand that word language.
And tasem. But me born do everywhere go. Ewa.
Apa wenya.
Me born do everywhere go. The make me born do.
Okay, I'll burn you. And
I miss it. Some come a born hindua on the betasi. I did my back.
I'll burn you. I don't understand. Let me continue. So, from Nigeria to Ghana here, it's not easy. Stress you go pass through.
A far from an faso. A far from an faso.
A far from a faso. Please, let me continue my destiny.
Okay. Adekasa.
And you know, say I buy some land for some place, the other place. But you know something? I have to realize something that the place about that land. As they die, your sister, your wife and sister, with the bury that woman over there. I don't know. Maybe I'm coming to tell your wife. Maybe if like they could change something small, give me. I don't know, maybe you will understand it or make you call your wife to come in. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
And him gizzard. One why the gizzard? One why the gizzard?
Gizzard.
And gizzard. Akoko na dibina ade odidi femino. Damn na wo boy ma mo so ye no. What is she dream na ade no? Anko friend chinchingano. Damn the one why.
This language you are speaking, you go make na 1,000 years to listen to this.
No.
You have to change it or blend it.
Me sumeti brofu, but me na menya majuna meka.
I don't understand.
You go ahead and talk.
Oh, okay. So I want you to call your wife to maybe, you understand me? To maybe if like they will tell you the family or maybe to change it something small. I don't know if like you are sleeping and there's something will come and they are going to, you know now.
Please, I beg of you. Do I work with the Ghana Lands Commission? Or you heard that my wife is also working with Ghana Land Commission? So based on that, you are coming to tell me you want to see my wife so that if there can be another opportunity by them changing the land for, isn't it?
That is exactly, I'm saying for now good. The two of you, know, say I know you for that, this now community.
Who gave you the land? Is it me or neither my wife?
He's part of the family now.
In Ghana, there's a language which we call Dagomba. There's a language they use that Jerigo.
Okay, Jerigo.
Akayam.